This is the Nephron dialysis system. This is a commercial scale unit. Any fleet operator, taxi company, or let's say you had a small shop with 5 trucks, this is the type of unit you'd have outside that does clean your oil. This is the coupler. If you have a fleet of vehicles, it's easy to install. It goes right to the bottom of your oil pan with a quick release connection. You pull the hose out of the unit. Hose just clips on quickly. Takes less than a second. Click, click, and it's attached. This is the control system for the Nephron. After it's connected, you designate the amount of oil you need. Obviously, this is a small Nissan. It has 3.7 liters of oil requirement. A big truck would require more. You set it, you hit the start button, and in 5 minutes, your oil's changed. So we've contaminated this oil. This oil is then recirculated down through the bottom of this canister in through this filter. This filter then pumps that cleaned oil into this canister here, which then feeds this drum. So you can see clearly after this oil has gone through this filter and it goes into here before it comes back in here, it's completely new again. So 10 minutes later, you can see this oil is clean. It's an amazing technology.